I just don't want you to get bit. Poor thing's gonna be let loose. Poor baby. It's okay. Poor little bird.
May I have permission to post this video to YouTube?
No.
My main focus is on that little birdie. Did you leave your window open, Daniel?
No. No, I think a cat got it. Oh, don't stick your fingers in the light socket.
Get out of the light socket, stupid. Move.
Back up.
Where is he?
We can't let the dogs get to it either.
I don't think so. There he goes.
Hey, watch your step.
Did you get him?
Almost.
Hey! Get!
Birds don't bite.
They peck.
He just needs to be...
Chill. Let me put you outside.
Elusive little bugger, isn't he?
Well, I'm trying to be as gentle as possible because I don't want to break his wing or his leg.
We could let it out through Daniel's window.
No. No, he needs to be... Once Pat gets him. There we go.
Did you get it?
Yes.
He's biting. He's biting. Look, he's biting.
Yeah.
Open the door.
The garage. Yeah, the garage. Come on. Come on, Pee-Pee.
Chill.
It's okay. We'll have you out in no time. Let me get a close-up of the little guy.
Poor thing.
He's terrified, yeah.
Yeah.
Who can blame him?
Okay.
Now you just let him loose.
Dan, hopefully your window's not open.